In this lecture, you will learn about how to set up a successful Facebook page for your business. So do I need a Facebook page? And my short answer to you is yes. If you are on online business, having a Facebook page for your business is a must. And it is super important for an affiliate business. There are a couple of good reasons why you need Facebook page for an affiliate marketing. The first one, you can instantly connect to your audience and to your customer. So this is a great place to connect and interact and share story and also relevant information about your brands and products. One of the goals of Facebook page is to give you the voice, and you can build your reputation instantly with fast customer service reaching new customer. Second, with Facebook page, you get to gather people that only interested with your products. In another way of saying, you are actually building your own community, a method of list building as well. So when you have any products, you can sell it to them. It's able to help you to rank your business in Google as well. For example, if you are promoting a weight loss products on ClickBank, people that are interested with these products, they will probably do some research on it before buying. So they will be most probably key in weight loss products ABC review into the search engine such as Google. So if you are the few one that has the weight loss ABC review keywords on your website, this user will probably visit your website or page. Therefore, in order to grab the very first place in Google ranking system, you may name your page end with the words review or similar synonyms. So now, let's look at how we can optimize our Facebook page. So now let's learn how to create your own Facebook page. Just go to create and click on page. So we probably want to go to business or brand. Just click on get started. So as I mentioned before, it will be best that you can put the product name and with review. So the products that I want to promote is called eToro. If I want to be more niche or be more targeted, I even can put the country that I am targeting my business on. So I can put Malaysia. So it depends on what sort of products that you are selling. For the category, this one is a investment. So just key in your address. So when you are done, just click on continue. So we are just going to skip this for now. Same over here. The very first thing that I would like you to do is to claim your page name. So just go to see more, just click on about. So create page name. When you're done, just click on create username. So the next thing that I want you to do is to create a profile photos and also a cover photos. The most easiest way to do it is to go to Canva, which is a free software. So just feel free to sign up your free account with Canva. So we're going to go Facebook. So cover photos. So from here you get to design your own Facebook cover page. You get to choose tons of photos, templates as well. So you just choose whatever that you feel that you like. So when you're done, just go download. And just upload your Facebook cover. So when you're done, just click on save. The next thing we're going to change is this. Is our Facebook profile. So same thing, just go back to Canva. Logo, let's go to logo. So there are tons of templates that you can choose from. Just let me get a simple one. Example, just this lock and rest. Just drag and drop it. Okay, same thing. When you're done, just click on download. So just make sure the whole logo is in the middle. So when you are done, just click on save. So first step, you are done. So the next thing that we have to do is to add a call action button. Just click over here. So what we want is to shop with us or see offer. So those are the both options that we want to use. So if you have a web page, you can click on this shop on your page. So if you have a web page, this is where you want to put your link to. And if you are promoting a affiliates link, This is where you want to put. So just put on a website link. So Facebook gives you two options, which is shop on your own Facebook page. And if you have your own affiliate links, such as from ClickBank, here is where you want to put your links at. So just put your link over here and then you click save. So for example, if this is the link that I want to bring my customer to, I'll just copy and paste over here, then I click save. So when user click on this link, it will automatically bring them to the web page that you want them to go. Alright, the very next thing that we want to do is we want to optimize our Facebook page by increasing our ranking on Google, or when someone search for eToro or for the products that you are trying to promote. So let's go to about again, and this time we want to edit about. So just add a short descriptions. So it is very important that you add some of the long tail or even short tail keywords in this short descriptions, because this will determine how easy people are going to look for your products and how well are you going to rank on Google as well. So just make sure that you put some very good keywords that people are searching. So when you're done, just click on save. So the next thing that we want to do, we want to add even more keywords and information about our page so that people can get to easily find us when they search for a certain key terms that is related to our products. So now just go to settings, general. So the very first thing that I want to talk about is the messages. So let's go to messaging. So the very first thing that we want to set up is this response assistant. Just jump to the session. Show a messages greeting. This is what we want. So when people message you and you did not get to reply them immediately, so this is the message that you are going to get. It's just that when you are messaging others' businesses and the auto reply will comes in, so this is where you're going to set it. So you can put something like I will get back to you as soon as possible, or you also can send them to the page that have more information about your products. You can do that as well. So when you are done, just click on save. Next, page info. So those are very important stuff, as these are the place that Google is going to find you much more easily when someone key in the keywords or things that they are searching on Google. So it's able to determine your ranking on search engines such as Google. So just make sure on this description box, you add 2 to 3 keywords that are related to your business. So when you're done, just check on the phone number. If you have a website, just put the website name or also the link that generated from your affiliate's website or on ClickBank, and your email address as well. One trick that I want to share with you is that I'm pretty sure that most of the affiliate links that generated by ClickBank is a very long and is ugly looking URL. So what we want to do is we want to have a much more presentable and shorter URL. What we can do is you can go to this website, which is called bit.ly. So bit.ly is going to shorten up all the URL that you put into this software. So let's click on create. Let's just paste the long URL that I get from ClickBank. So it will automatically generate a shorter affiliate link that you can put it on everywhere that you want. You can put it on your YouTube, you can put it on your Facebook as well. So it is a much more shorter and much more nicer URL link as well. So just copy and just paste it as your website. Okay, you also can put your email address, your location as well if you want. So these are all the things that you have to configure first in order for you to have an optimized Facebook page. So this is how you can optimize your Facebook page so that people can find you much more easier on Google, on YouTube, or on whatever search engine is it.